Hello everyone, in this video we shall be looking at how to divide in base 8. Let's look at some examples. We have 152066 in base 8 divided by 56 in base 8. So first of all, let's prepare our division chart table. So you have 56 times 0 equals to 0 in base 8. 56 times 1 equals to 56 in base 8. 56 times 2 equals to 56 times 2. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 in base 8 is 1, remainder 4. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 in base 8 is 1, remainder 3. You have 1, 3, 4 in base 8. Have 56 times 3 is equals to 3 times 6 is 18. 18 in base 8 is 2, remainder 2. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 2 is 17. 17 in base 8 is 2, remainder 1. So you have 2, 1, 2 in base 8. You have 56 times 4 is equals to 4 times 6 is 24. 24 in base 8 is 3, remainder 0. 4 times 5 is 20 plus 3 is 23. 23 in base 8 is 2, remainder 7. We have 270 in base 8. 56 times 5. 56 times 5 times 6 is 30, and 30 in base 8 is 3, remainder 6. 5 times 5 25 plus 3 is 28. 28 in base 8 is 3, remainder 4. So you have 346 in base 8. 56 times 6 is equals to 6 times 6 is 36. 36 in base 8 is 4, remainder 4. 3 times 5 is 30 plus 30 plus 4 is 44 is 34. 34 in base 8 is 4, remainder 2. We have 4, 2, 4 in base 8. 56 times 7 is equals to 7 times 6 is 42. 42 in base 8 is 5, remainder 2. 7 times 5 is 35 plus 5 is 40. 40 in base 8 is 5, remainder 0. So you have 502 in base 8. So now let's go back to our question. So you have 152066 divided by 56. 56 divided by 1 cannot. 56 divided by 15 cannot. And 56 divided by 152 can. So now you go back to your chart tables and look for a number that is 156 or a number that comes immediately before 156. So here we have 1231. No, 1, 3, 4. So the answer is 2. So you have 1, 3, 4. The answer is 2. 2 times 56 is 1, 3, 4 in base 8. So you subtract. 2 minus 4 cannot borrow 1 here. Call it 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So 10 minus 4 is 6. This one you have 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. And this is 0. So 56 divided by 16 cannot bring down your 0. So 56 divided by 160. So you go back to a chart tables and look for a number that is 160 or a number that comes immediately before 160. So here you still have our 2 is 132. So 2 times 56, you have 134. You subtract. 0 minus 4 cannot borrow 1 here. Call it 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. And this is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. 56 divided by 24 cannot bring down 6. So 56 divided by 246, you come here, look for a number that comes 246 or a number that is come before 246. So you have 212, which is 3. And 3 times 56, you have 212. So you subtract. 2 minus 6 minus 2 is 4. And 4 minus 1 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. So 56 divided by 34 cannot bring down the last number, which is 6. So 56 divided by 346, come to your chart table and find a number that is 346 or a number that comes before 346. So here you have 5 is 346. So your answer is 5. 5 times 56. You have 346. So when you subtract this one, you have 0. So therefore your answer is 2, 2, 3, 5 in base 8. Let's look at another example. So we have 3, 6, 7, 2 in base 8 divided by 7, 8. First of all, let's prepare our division chart table. So you have 7 times 0 is 0 in base 8. 7 times 1 equals to 7 in base 8. 7 times 2 equals to 14. And 14 in base 8 is 1, remainder 6 in base 8. 7 times 3 is 21. And 21 base 8 is 2, remainder 5. 7 times 4 equals to 28. And 28 in base 8 is 3, remainder 4 in base 8. 7 times 5 equals to 35. And 35 in base 8 is 4, remainder 3 in base 8. 7 times 6 equals to 42, and 42 in base 8 is 5 remainder 2 in base 8. 7 times 7 goes to 49, and 49 in base 8 is 6 remainder 1 base 8. So let's go back to our question. We have 3, 6, 7, 2, 3 divided by 7. 7 divided by 3 cannot. 7 divided by 36 can. So you come to your chart tables and look for a number that is 36 or a number that comes before 36. So here you have 4. So it's 4. 4 times 7 is 34. You subtract. So you have 6 minus 4 is 2. And 3 minus 3 is 0. 7 divided by 2 cannot. Bring down 7. 7 divided by 27. So you come to a chart tables and look for a number that is 27 or a number that comes before 27. So here you have 3 is 25. So we have 3. 3 times 7 is 25. You subtract. So 7 minus 5 is 2. And 2 minus 2 is 0. 7 divided by 2 cannot. Bring down 2. 7 divided by 22. So you come to a chart and look for a number that come before, that is fall under 22, or a number that come before 22. So here you have 16. So it's 2. 2 times 7 is 16. You subtract. 2 minus 6 cannot. Borrow 1 here, call it 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. And 10 minus 6 is 4. So 7 divided by 4 cannot. Bring down your 3. 7 divided by 43 can't. Come to your chart table and look for a number that is 43. So here you have 5. 5. 5 times 7 is 43. You subtract. So you have 0. So therefore your answer is 4325. The answer is 4325 in base 8. Thank you for watching.